am, Porsche 911 992 Turbo S. What do you think of this? Welcome to another sunny day in England. My name is Barry from Quicksilver and I'm going to give you a little show of what's going on at our headquarters today. Let's have a little looky. That's the wonderful van, the boost bus as we like to call it. The lovely Ferrari F12 by the Tech Studio. Beautiful car, sounds lovely. i8 with our sound architect on. But the car of the day is this Porsche 911 992 Turbo S with Ben, one of our technicians, actually hanging off the back. How's it going, Ben?
Good, yeah, just finished fitting it.
Oh yeah, how was it?
Good fit.
Yeah?
Good fit, yeah, all.
Ah, what's that? Is that titanium by any chance?
So we've got the titanium box.
Oh, lovely.
We've got the titanium box riveted on.
Okay.
And then with the stainless tubing.
And why?
Uses the OE valve function.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
these are the valves there then.
Those are the valves. Yeah.
Really?
They plug into the OE cables, and it's all controlled. A drive select wheel.
Oh.
And you'll find when you put your foot down, the valves open.
Oh, they do it for you. You don't control it.
Absolutely, yeah. And then when you come off the throttle, the valves close.
Yeah.
It just controls drone and that sort of thing.
And why have they done it in two different diameters? Is that what the OE's got, or is that?
The OE is similar.
Oh, that's the OE there, is it? Oh yeah.
Yeah, the OE is similar. And obviously just to incorporate the larger 3-inch valve as well.
Oh yeah, so we've got bigger valves.
Yeah. So when the valves open, you'll get a complete 3-inch straight pipe.
Very cool.
Which is obviously good for performance as well.
Yeah.
But yeah, bolt on fit. So bumper off, everything else off, lights.
And how long does this take you?
You could do it in half a day. You could do it in half a day if you're quick, definitely. There's a lot of parts, but
if you're as good as Ben.
If you're familiar with Porsche, it's half a day, definitely. But,
they're the pieces.
Yeah.
There's quite a lot of bits.
A few bits, and the spoiler comes up and everything.
And the OE system's massive compared to the.
Absolutely, yeah. Weight saving. I think you save about 6 or 7 kilos.
Yeah.
And then obviously performance gains, having the big 3-inch straight pipe. And obviously it sounds fantastic, so. Yeah,
it does, yeah. So we can't start it up at the moment, can we? Or is that?
We can, yeah. We can start it up, it's all bolted on.
Well, we'll give it a little listen to. Oh, I have to show everyone the beautiful interior, which I think is going to be one of my favourites of any car that I've seen lately. That's a work of art, I think, in itself. Not bad.
Tidy. Right. There we go.
Yes, that's basically the valves doing their own thing as the car warms up.
They will, yeah. So when you're not on the throttle, the valves will typically be closed.
Yeah.
For drone purposes.
Yeah.
As soon as you plant your foot, the valves will open. It gives you the noise that you want.
Yeah, well, it's pretty perfect really. Sounding a lot more meaty than stock. As I shout as it goes quiet, just to embarrass them. That's pretty good. Cheers, Ben.
You wouldn't mind getting this?
No, I wouldn't mind. Is it a two-handed job? Can I do this?
Yes, it is.
All right. I'm signing off now, peeps. Speak to you soon. Ciao, Bella.